All right, hey guys, today I want to let you dive into our little secret, which is our warehouse. It's like about 5,000 square feet back here in our office, and it is one of our secrets to success on having such great affordable turnkey properties and being able to renovate over 6,000 houses in about the 45 years we've been doing this. So let's jump on into the warehouse and kind of see what's going on in here. Come on in and follow me. So yeah, look guys, we're buying lots of materials in bulk and just keeping them here because we know we're going to use them. We're doing about 250 turnkey renovations a year. So we're going around and just fixing up houses. So we know we're going to put these in. And what's awesome is we buy pretty much the same stuff on every house. So that way in 2 or 3 years, we know, oh, if something goes wrong on something, we know who the manufacturer was. We know the exact size and everything because we probably still have it on stock. We kind of make our renovations a little bit boring, meaning we use the same 2 or 3 paint colors and fixtures, but that way it really helps the economies of scale. Our guys know exactly where every little wire and little detail is on all these materials because they've already worked on them hundreds of times. So let's keep on checking out this warehouse course, fire extinguisher for safety. But yeah, look, we just got little fixtures, all these light fixtures here, kind of 1 or 2 options, lots of light bulbs. Just really organized. Another little vanity. These goes over the bathrooms. You know, and also we're buying stuff. We're not buying the cheapest stuff out there, but we're buying the most affordable. So the replacement cost is cheaper to our people that we're property managing for. So in, 5-10 years down the line, you don't have some high-end fixture on there that needs all these custom repairs on it. You can just figure it out very simply. Okay, we're also buying big refrigerators. So that's a recent purchase we've had kind of recently is refrigerators. Since we bought so many in bulk, we were actually able to save about a couple $100s on each refrigerator, about a 30% cost reduction. And all of these savings are passed on to our investors, right? We're not going ahead and marking up. We're letting that profit, of course, we're getting a little bit of the wedge in between because of us having to have this facility and the overhead, but a lot of that's passed on to our investors. Where we're really trying to beat down your turnover costs because we know that's one of your largest expenses when having a property that you own. So let's keep on walking through here. Alrighty, let's just check out this entire aisle. Look how awesome this is. So we have now three full-time guys managing this warehouse. This is the major section of it, but we have 2 other storage facilities as well where we bring materials in. So they're going over here and stocking up every little plumbing fixture that our plumbers and electricians need for replacing anything. So that way they don't have to walk all the way to Home Depot, right? Imagine our guys out in the field. Oops, sorry about that. They're having to go to home, if they had to go to Home Depot, memorize, find where the spot is on the shelf. That takes a few minutes to find just the little thing. Since we buy all the same brands of our ACs and everything like that, they know the exact fixture, so they can memorize it and they can just visualize what they need in the field. So they all come in here, and make sure you put that in the right spot because they'll get really mad at me if I don't put that away in the right spot. Anyways, you can imagine this place is filled, chock full at 6:30 a.m. All of our guys with all the maintenance calls, plumbing leak, whatever happens, we manage over 3,000 doors about. And so if there's any issues, we write that down and we take care of that either the same day or next day is our goal to just keep the tenants happy. And we can do that so quickly because our guys can just walk in here, grab what they need and go. They're not going back and forth to the Home Depot several times looking for the part they need. We have most of it here. So yeah, let's walk down this entire aisle down here. There's lots of good stuff, little glues, and piping things, tapes, soldering, foil tapes. It's awesome. Okay, this one is one of my favorites, the blue tape. Okay, why? Because we have our contractors, right? They're just doing, it's called a QC, a quality control, and they're just getting a punch list. So they're going around the house. You've kind of seen it probably on HDTV. They're just dinging every little thing that our painters or plumbers are messing up on, and they're just blue taping the whole property before you buy it, before you get a home inspection and after. And before a tenant moves in, they're just checking every little thing in order to reduce your maintenance costs. We're covering all that. We're providing a great quality renovated product for you. So blue tape's always good. Okay, so coming around here, this part's kind of funny. It's so big, we have shopping carts. Yeah, in our own 22,000 square foot building, we have little shopping carts. So you can buy paint in the bulk or miniature things. We have all these different colors here. Anyways, then we got the big ticket items over here, furnaces, AC coils and condensers, pretty much anything you would need. And what our guys are doing, they have spreadsheets and they're analyzing the costs and bids from other providers and other guys that provide in bulk, the wholesalers around town, and we're beating down and comparing prices and getting bids so that we can just reduce our expenses on all these materials, because that's probably half the renovation is materials, the other half is labor. And of course, with labor wise, we're trying to, because we're doing bulk labor, we can beat down those prices as well. So this is one of our keys to success as a turnkey provider, and our success here at Memphis Investment Properties and Reedy & Company. We're just really buying everything in bulk, trying to stay organized. This is all bar-coded, so our guys, before they leave, you know, they got to barcode it, bing, ding it out, and then the inventory system knows, oh, we got to order so many more of them before we run out. That's also another issue, of course, with the warehouses. We got to make sure it's stocked. If a guy comes here and it's not ready, then they got to go to Home Depot and buy it for 30, 40, sometimes even 50 or 70% more than what's on the shelf at Home Depot. So lots of bulk, and our guys will be looking for discounts. Sometimes they'll see a great discount on some vent covers, but they have to buy 400. It's like, we're not going to need 400 for probably 2 years, but let's just buy them now because it's a great discount and we can kind of pass those savings on. So anyways, hopefully this really helps you out to know a lot about the inner workings of our warehouse. I think it's amazing, really cool. I like that we're using all the data and numbers into it to kind of beat down prices and get better. So thanks so much, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be providing great videos like this all the time for you. Have a good day.